In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time data on TradingView, enabling you to make more informed trading decisions by accessing the latest market information. TradingView provides free accounts with data that may be delayed by a few seconds or even minutes. But if you want real-time updates, you've got two options: purchasing a market data subscription directly from TradingView or using your broker's real-time data. First, let's explore how to purchase a TradingView market data subscription. To get started, go to TradingView's website and navigate to the market data page. You can do this by either heading directly to the pricing or market data section or by clicking on Explore Our Plans within your account settings. Once there, take a moment to browse through the list of available exchanges and choose the data packages that fit your trading needs. You'll find various options tailored to different markets, so select the ones that align with your strategies. Once you've made your selections, subscribe to these real-time data packages. You have the convenience of paying for these subscriptions either on a monthly or annual basis, depending on what suits you best. Alternatively, if you have a broker that provides real-time data, you can utilize that data directly on TradingView. To do this, connect your live broker account to TradingView. You can link it through the trading panel, which you'll find on the chart interface. It's pretty straightforward, and once the connection is established, check if your broker is on the supported list. If they are and they offer real-time data, you'll see your charts and order panels automatically updating with the latest information, keeping you in tune with the market. Keep in mind several important considerations when navigating real-time data on TradingView. As I mentioned earlier, free accounts typically offer data with a delay, so investing in a subscription or using a broker's feed is crucial for timely updates. It's also worth noting the difference between using broker-provided data versus TradingView's. When your broker feeds real-time data, it powers the order panel, ensuring that your trading actions are based on the most current market conditions. Occasionally, you might need to log into your broker account again to verify your real-time data subscription, so be sure to check and keep things current. Finally, if you ever see a "data is delayed" message pop up on your chart, don't worry. Simply go back and ensure you have an active real-time data package purchased from TradingView, or confirm that your broker is correctly connected. By following these steps, you will have real-time data at your fingertips, keeping you well informed and ready to act swiftly in the fast-moving trading world.